Over the past few months, I've been investing in gaming coins such as PlayZap, and I'm investing heavily. PlayZap, Shrapnel, Bloodloop. What's the other ones that we've done in the last few months? Octo Gaming. And I want to show you two more that I've been heavily buying right now that I seriously believe can turn my $10,000 into $100,000 or $1 million. Two gaming projects that I seriously think you should pay attention to. If it sounds interesting, drop a like and subscribe. Welcome back. Which ones am I talking about? Actually, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring over two separate videos. So you'll see one today. Stick around, like and subscribe to the channel, and you will see the next one literally the day after. I'll try to do it one day after another. And I really think you should pay attention to the gaming space because I've got a feeling it's about to heat up. And I'm going to explain my reasons why. Which coin have I been buying heavily? Like stacking up, because this fell down a lot as well. Right here, boom. Zames. So for those that are new, Zames is like a gaming network, almost like it provides people the opportunity to play multiple different games in one space. Think of like Steam or Gala. You know, if you're into crypto, think of Gala. I'm trying to think of new people that are coming into the crypto space that don't understand much about gaming and stuff in the crypto space. That's why I refer to it as like your Steam. You know, you got a platform that's going to have loads of different games where you can come and play. And I think that in the future, something like this will have more games developed on it. They've already got nice looking projects up and coming. They've got Planet X here, which is like an FPS extractor shooter, something like that. It looks good from what I'm seeing here in the background. Is that a little Nike thing as well? I don't know if they're partnering with Nike or just, just making sometimes you need to have a partnership, don't you? Anyway, so they already have up and coming games, which is, even if it's mobile gaming or PC gaming that's on their platform right now, which could become big titles. So because of this, and because I've seen the price be falling on this, I feel like it's an actual good buy for me. One that can really generate me massive wealth. Now, when it comes to investing in cryptos, I always like to look at the charts, do some analysis on my side to see where is it right now, how low is it falling, do I have much room to buy a substantial amount to make massive gains? And I'll show you that as well. We'll do some analysis on this, but take a look at this, right? And this is what's hyping me the most for gaming. All it takes is one game in the crypto space to get into a massive position, like being played on Xbox or PlayStation, and that is it. Watch the whole space blow. Watch everything. Everyone just go crazy for crypto, especially gaming crypto. So Gunzilla, which is like a gaming developers, raised over $30 million for this off the grid. For those who don't know, off the grid is like a FPS shooter again, and I'll be showing you FPS shooters. If you want to see some of the hottest first-person shooter games, come onto my channel. I don't know, can you just type FPS? Does it come up on the search bar? And you'll see a bunch of different games that I've been sharing, which is FPS. Look, top 5. Is that top 5 first-person shooters? And that was number 1. 1 second. So, people be calling me. Put my phone silent. I'm trying to make a video. They can wait. I've got a bunch of different FPS shooters, which I've done over the last few months, which you can check out. I think that playlist, is that playlist? Yeah, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, yeah, you know what I mean? So check it out if you're into this stuff, because I feel like something like this could spark all play to earn games. Another recent game that I bought was Xverse, which is similar to this, first person shooter, graphics look great and stunning, sits in line with the shrapnels and everything else. So I'm paying attention to the gaming space, and I'm heavily looking to invest in these coins whilst they're mega cheap, because it will happen. 10 years now, people understand games. It's just so easy to understand. Like that, the newcomers, a 10-year-old. Like, come and play this game. If you play it, yeah, it's a bit like Minecraft. If you play it, you will earn. Really? What's it called? Sandbox. Yeah, just come and play this game. It's a bit like Call of Duty. If you play it, you earn. Really? What's it called? Because the kids, this is the voice, isn't it? What's it called? Shrapnel. Off the grid, whatever it is. Yeah, look, you got Steam. You got a Steam Deck. Or do you play Steam games? Teenager. Yeah, why? No, that's old man. Yeah, why? That sounds like me. You know what I mean? If you play Steam, come over here and check out Zames, because they've got a bunch of different games where you can play and earn. No one's there. So yeah, I think this is a really good buy. Right now, Zames is 160 million market cap. It's a mid cap. It's not a low cap, not no high risk micro caps. It's kind of established already. People, you know about this. If you don't, you do now. And sometimes mid caps can be good with gaming projects because they can blow up into blue chips or supreme blue chips, 10, 20, 30 billion dollars. And something like this could do that. We saw Gala Games blow up massively in the last cycle, which is why I'm paying attention to this, because it reminds me of the Gala Games. You can get yourself a Sentry node. If you want to buy a node and run a node, you can do that. And earn some rewards just like the Galas, just like the Myrias. So I do see the similarities and why it could become favorable for 2024, 2025. You've got Animoca brands here. And they, again, pay attention to when you see Animoca brands partnering or, being having high convicted projects in their portfolios. I'm guessing they have this in their portfolio. Now let's take a look at the analysis. I've got this on the weekly time frame. When I invest, when I put big money, I like to look at the chart and I need to know, where am I buying this flipping coin? Am I buying it at its top, or am I buying it at a steal of a buy? It fell down 89%. It's come up a bit. Right now it's still down 85%. That's from this little green zone here, from the top down to this green, because it's pumped up, right? It's 85% discount. That's how I'm looking at it. So in other words, should this pump back up to all-time highs, because it's different. When you do it like this, you see different percentages. Look, that's 80% there, look. So when you see it go back to all-time highs, or when I see it go to all-time highs, I'll be looking at a 566 pump return. $10 turns $10. Yeah, $10 turns to $50, $56. $10,000. What am I laughing for? $10,000 turns to $56,000, but I think it can go higher. Now I will see this happen. I know that you're going to see a move up for this. According to this chart, you will. Look at this. You've got the RSI here, which shows when projects are overbought and oversold. And this RSI has its own little moving average, which is this yellow line. It just broke it, which tells me buy momentum could come in, which is the stochastic RSI. That shows buy momentum. You've got the blue line that's just come up into the blue zone, and then this red line will come up into this blue zone. And when you see these two lines come up, that shows buy momentum coming in. People are going to buy. And I'm catching it before it really starts to happen. And the other way, it works the same way. Look, when you see the blue line and the red line coming down, that's sell momentum. And look what's happening to the price as that's happening right at this point here. Look, I'm going to show you. Look at the red candles. Look, all the way down, sell momentum. So I believe that buy momentum is going to kick in over these next few weeks, few months. And I think in the next few months, I'm going to make massive gains of Zai gains. So you do what you want to do. This was not financial advice. I want to show you the opportunity of what I'm doing and where I'm just looking at gaming coins, guys, because this speaks of it. This is telling me that, this could spark this alone could spark mad hype for the gaming space, because it's now for the first time you've got a blockchain game that's going to be on PlayStation, Xbox, and PC at launch. Make me tut and kiss my teeth, everything. So I'm excited. So we will see what happens with that. I want to bring my next coin because I did buy two. What I like about this is I'm not just investing in one game. I'm investing in sort of like a fleet of games that could come from this. And it's, mobile gaming. It could be PC gaming, whatever it is. And who knows, maybe in time you might start to see already established games in the crypto space pull over to the Zai network so they can do stuff over here. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here. If it was helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Get my words out. Stick around because I'm going to bring the next video. I want to show you the next coin that I've been buying in gaming. Patrons, you already know. Well, the patrons that have buy alerts, they already know what I bought. I'm going to grab it up. If you don't want to miss it, become a patron. The link is in the info section. They see when I'm buying and they can see what I'm buying. Well, of course, that's the same thing. When I'm what? When I see when I'm buying and what I'm buying, yeah. So, so why is it working? Yeah, my page, you press it like this, you're coming. Here we go. It wasn't coming up. 7 tiers, take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner. I'm going to keep out for next time. Exclusive VIP partner tier. Where is it? Here we go. My most popular tier. If you can afford it, the next tier above gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. Magic happens over there. There's millionaires in this group. There's highly intelligent, smart investors that understand the trends, know how to find the gems, There's over 700 people in this group, which you should seriously come check out. It never sleeps. So if half of the world's sleeping is wide awake over here, we can always see what's going on because people are constantly posting good news and good stuff that can help us on our journey. So come check it out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.
Never be defeated.